Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify Payments for conversion strategy step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. In the upper right corner, click on the Login button. Enter your store's domain in the first field. Click the Next button to proceed. Input your email address and password in the designated fields. Make sure to double-check your credentials for accuracy. After verifying your details, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, locate and click on Settings. Scroll down and select Payments from the Settings options. Now, you will see the Shopify Payments section. If you haven't activated it yet, click on the Activate Shopify Payments button. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide the required business information. Ensure all details are accurate, as they will affect your payment processing. Once all information is filled in, click on the Save button. You should now see a confirmation that your Shopify payments are successfully activated. To implement a conversion strategy, navigate back to the left-hand menu. Click on Online Store and then select Preferences. In the Preferences section, ensure your payment processing settings align with your conversion. Consider integrating additional payment methods like PayPal or Apple Pay if necessary. Your Shopify Payments account is now set up and ready to help drive conversions. By monitoring your payment settings regularly, you can optimize your business for improved sales performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.